Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2016 Ford Fusion Hybrid 2.0 right now. So the problem is with the customer complaint is that sometimes the check engine light turns on, sometimes it turns off, and then the problem is that when he drives it, every time the check engine light turns on, he would lose power. Like when he was trying to gas it, it would lose power, and then it'll get power back and it drives normal. And then sometime check engine light stay on for like 5 minutes and turn off itself, and then sometime it will stay on for like half an hour. It will turn off itself, and then loses power when he's trying to accelerate and all that. So when I read the code, so right now this is hybrid, so I'm gonna turn on the car. This is ready to drive. So right now the check engine light is not on. When I test drive it, it only happened to me once. So I took this out on a test drive for like 2-3 times. The third time it did it to me, it would cut out the power. It would turn on the check engine light for about 2 minutes, and then it would turn off, and I couldn't accelerate past like anything over 30. I cannot accelerate more than that. So when I read the code, so right now check engine light is off. So when I read the code for this one, I'm gonna show you. It has code for the gas pedal sensor. So there you go. These two codes are for the acceleration pedal sensor. So right now it says not current because the check engine light is not on, but even though it saves it in the memory. So let me see if I go to pending. Is there anything on pending? No. So the code, the computer did save the code when it happened, when it turns on and turns off, and then it saves it. But right now, since it's not on, that's why it says it's not current. For the gas pedal, I'm not gonna take out the connector yet because it's kind of like a tight spot. But the gas pedal, it has one bolt holding on to the gas pedal. So I use my Torx here. You can see my Torx. This is a T30, Torx T30 right here. So there's only one bolt on top that's holding on to the pedal. So let me try to get it into the bolt. So I'm gonna loosen it. So there you go. You see how I did it? So when you remove the bolt, you're gonna push the pedal up, push the acceleration pedal up, and then move it out. And then now I have a little bit of room to take the connector out. Still kind of tight spot though, and it's awkward position. So you're gonna, for the red tab here, you can see the red tab right here. You're gonna push it up, press on this tab, and then pull the connector up. So I'm gonna, oh, I just popped it out already. So I popped out the connector already. So push this red tab up, the locking tab, press on the tab right here, and then push it up. Did I pop it out? No, I did not yet. I got the original gas pedal out already. This one is OEM from Ford. It says Ford Motor Corporation right there. One of this is the part number, just in case if you guys need it. If you guys want to buy the original gas pedal, there's only one bolt on top right here holding onto it. And this one I've got from O'Reilly, which is the same thing. This is the part number, and that's the brand. This one costs $140. I bought it, yeah, $140. It's the exact same thing. Everything's the same. You can see everything is the same. The pin, the connector, and everything is exactly the same. Now, since you're here, take a look at the gas pedal connector. Check out the wires in the back here. Make sure it's not broken, ripped, or anything damaged. Check the pin inside here. The pin inside right here. Make sure it's not damaged, corroded, or bent. This one looks good, so I'm gonna put back my new gas pedal. For the gas pedal, you can see there's a notch right here. It's gonna hooked into this one right here. So I'm just gonna put in my new one. So I'm gonna push it in first. So I'm gonna push this in. Make sure it sits into the slot right here. So I'm gonna, there you go. I'm gonna push it up. Make sure it slides down. Make sure this little notch right here slide down to that one. It hooks in. It's gonna. There you go. It hooks in a little bit. I gotta push it down a little bit more to get the bolt on top in. Now getting the bolt in was a little bit of struggle for me, but I got it in. So tighten it down already. There you go. Now I'm just gonna plug my connector back. It's kind of like a tight spot when I try to put the bolt back. Kind of struggle a little bit, but there you go. It clicks. Lock my red tab. There you go. Right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code one more time. So when I click in this code here on the computer, it doesn't give me much information on it to figure out what's going on. All it says is that the acceleration pedal sensor 1 and 2 does not match, and it's out of range. I'm guessing out of range mean the voltage. That's out of the original spec. So right now I'm gonna clear the code. Let me see, it's pending. I don't think, no, there's no pending. So I'm gonna clear the code, and then I'm gonna show you the data on the new pedal. Code clear. I'm gonna turn off the car, turn it back on. Okay, ready to drive. Press OK. There you go. So I'm gonna go to data on the throttle here, so you can see throttle control data. There you go. So on my computer here, it says APPS sensor 1 and sensor 2 is out of range, but it doesn't give me much information what the range of the voltage spec is. So these are the sensor 1 and sensor 2. So I'm gonna gas it a little bit. You can see the number here changing as I accelerate it. You can see. And then the position percentage, you can see every time I accelerate it, it tells me how much throttle I'm giving. Now you can see, so right now there's no throttle, so because my foot is not on the throttle. So as I throttle it, now I'm gonna give it a little bit of throttle. You can see it's giving me percentage. Now it's full throttle. I'm full throttle all the way to the floor. It says 99% right there. There you go. So those are the data on the sensor. Throttle position sensor 1 and 2, same thing. And that's all the data for the pedal. So right now it recognizes it. It says no pedal because I didn't step on the pedal. Now I'm gonna step on the pedal. It says full throttle. You see that? Full pedal, because I have it on the floor. And then if I just press part of it, and it says part. Now I'm just gonna take this thing out on a drive to see if it's still acting up or not. See if the checking light comes back on, or the gas pedal cut out the power. So I'm gonna take out this car for a test drive. The computer here on the code right here, P2127. That's the description right there. So it's saying that it's out of range. You can see self-test out of range, low, from the APP2. And then for the other code, P2138, that's the description right there. Voltage correlation means it does not match. So this is what it's saying right there. The sensor input APP1 and APP2 the input of and the APP1 and APP2 is not correct right there. It says right there. For the 2127, when I click into test, it says this trouble code could be intermittent concern right there, and that's the problem with the original pedal. Is intermittent. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. It'll cut out the power anytime, and then the check engine light comes on and off anytime. Sometime on, sometime off. So I'm taking this thing out on a test drive. So right now in the city, so just doing medium speed. I'm trying to accelerate this. Full throttle. Woo! This boy got some power for hybrid. So I'm just gonna take this on a test drive a little bit on the city, and then I'm gonna take it out on the freeway. I'm gonna accelerate it to see if it come back or not. So I'm just gonna keep on test driving this. So I've been test driving this. The new pedal seems pretty good. The original problem was the customer cannot go past 30, but this one, I took it on the freeway a little bit. Passes 40, 50, 60, 70, no problem. 80, no problem. The new pedal is good. I drive it soft pedal, works normally. Full throttle, it works normally. So that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.